The blue economy is a term that's used around Australia and around the world these days to bring together all of the maritime industries. Somewhere between 7 and 10% of the Australian gross domestic product will be related to fishing, to oil and gas, to maritime trade, to ports and tourism. Marine science is a very connected science. Physics connects to biogeochemistry, connects to biology. It's a system, if you like. And increasingly we are understanding that the currents that flow all around the world actually link systems right throughout the Indian and Pacific Oceans that wash our western and eastern shores, or the Southern Ocean, the southern shores. And so Australia has to work very, very closely with all of the other people who value their ocean territories and who study it. And by leveraging each other, we are ramping up the pace of understanding of oceans much more than we would if we were working alone. We have the third largest marine territory anywhere in the world. A few people thought, wouldn't it be wonderful if Australia could develop some type of coordinator to routinely measure and monitor its oceans? So under the NCRIS, we as a group, CSIRO and AIMS and a number of other partners, came together and said, we need to design something that will set the baseline for us in terms of observations right around our continent. And so IMOS, the Integrated Marine Observing System, it's grown, it's now got hundreds and hundreds of collaborators, and we're now renowned all over the world for it. One of the hallmarks of collaborative research infrastructure is that the data that is collected or the data that's produced has to be available publicly. Using IMOS as the example, we have real-time streams of data coming off satellites, coming out of moorings, coming off coastal radars, available to the research community. Increasingly it's being made available to organisations like the Bureau of Meteorology, who will put it into their predictive models. The marine science community relies on good bandwidth, it relies on very, very good portals for sharing information, being able to see each other's information. And increasingly with that type of capability we value add. IMOS has a very, very good electronic information system that allows people to get derived products and predictions almost real time as well. We're very, very interested in making sure science has a role in making sure that, first of all, development happens, but development is placed in a very sustainable manner in Australia's future.